Hey guys, welcome to my channel and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Moving on today's video, I'm going to talk about the general component of the C-17 globemaster military aircraft carrier. Primary function: cargo and troop transport. Prime contractor: Boeing Company. Power plant: 4 Pratt & Whitney F117PW-100 turbofan engines. Thrust: 40,440 pounds, each engine. Wingspan: 169 feet 10 inches to winglet tips 51.75 meters. Length: 174 feet 53 meters. Height: 55 feet 1 inch 16.79 meters. Cargo compartment: length: 88 feet 26.82 meters. Width: 18 feet 5.48 meters. Height: 12 feet 4 inches 3.76 meters. Speed: 450 knots at 28,000 feet 8,534 meters Mach 0.74. Service ceiling: 45,000 feet at cruising speed 13,716 meters. Range: global with in-flight refueling. Crew: 2 pilots and 1 loadmaster. Aeromedical evacuation crew: a basic crew of 5, 2 flight nurses and 3 medical technicians is added for aeromedical evacuation missions. Medical crew may be altered as required by the needs of patients. Maximum takeoff weight: 585,000 pounds 265,352 kilograms. Load: 102 troops paratroops, 36 litter and 54 ambulatory patients and attendants, 170,900 pounds 77,519 kilograms of cargo, 18 pallet positions. Unit cost: $202.3 million. Fiscal 1998 constant dollars. Date deployed: June 1993. Inventory: active duty 157, Air National Guard 47, Air Force Reserve 18.